Hi, I'm Vin Bruno, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at AV Services. Today, I would like to introduce you to the Crestron Air Media Connect Adapter, a new Crestron Air Media product that adds another level of ease to seamless bring-your-own-device collaboration. The Air Media Connect adapter was designed to help your meeting run more smoothly. Built to communicate with the Air Media receiver for wireless presentation or conferencing, it allows you to join a meeting straight from your laptop while taking over the in-room peripherals for a better audio and video experience. As a user, you walk into the room, pick up the Air Media Connect adapter, and plug it into your laptop. Find your preferred meeting platform, which in this case is a Zoom meeting. And now we see Alice on the screen. Hi, Alice. What I enjoy most about this product is that the installation is just as easy for the integrator. All you need to get started is an Air Media receiver, the Air Media Connect adapter, an HDMI cable, and an internet connection. The Air Media Connect adapter is a great solution to add to a standalone hallway huddle space or complement a formal meeting room. To learn more about AV Services, visit avservices.net, and to learn more about Air Media, visit Crestron.com.